Dude, we have drones doing deliveries now. No fucking way. Drone deliveries. No fucking way, man. It's at the Walmart in Katy. Starting to do drone deliveries, man. That is so freaking awesome. Shit, man. I wonder how far they're gonna go and how they use them. Freaking drones, man. Technology. I grew up when technology started back in the 70s and the 80s, and now I'm glad to be alive during these times too. Beginning of badass technology. Taking a delivery. That is so fucking cool, man. Walmart delivery. Fucking awesome, man. There he goes. Fucking badass, man. I love technology.